Just so you guys know, today is the only day in history you're gonna be able to buy this 5-3 Supply banner. It's pre-order only, so if you want one, you have to buy one. Go to 53supply.com and order yours now. And we also got this nice plus 5.3 horsepower. If you wanna show off your newfound horsepower to your homies, these are now live as well, so make sure you go cop them. Oh, this Evo build, boys. I think I need to sit down for this one. So the only thing I've been waiting on to start this turbo build is my turbo manifold. I ordered the manifold almost a month ago. They told me it would be 2 weeks in production. And the last thing I heard from them was, hey, it's gonna be done and we'll have it shipped out to you by either Thursday or Friday of last week. And I've been trying to get a hold of them all week long, and I finally got a hold of somebody, and I was like, listen, I need to talk to somebody. Who can I talk to? Where's my turbo manifold? I need to get this build started. I talked to them on the phone, and they said that it might be another 2 weeks before this turbo manifold is done. And that is a huge, just throws a real nice knuckleball at me. Either way, I'm gonna start on this Evo build ASAP. I was gonna start on it tomorrow, but right now, I don't know if that's gonna be the best option, because, you know, if it does take 2 weeks, what am I gonna do? Install a bunch of parts and then have everything ready except for a turbo manifold for a week and a half or a week? I'm not sure. So we might unfortunately have to push the Evo build off for another week. Just letting you guys know, it's a huge bummer. It sucks because this makes me look bad, but it is what it is. But we still do have content with this. I've still got stuff I need to install. I've also got tons of stuff I need to do to my JZ Lexus. So we've got plenty to do. But today I've got really, really cool news, and it's gonna be interesting. I'm sorry, Evo. I told you I'd make you fast. I can't. I'm just trying to get my spoolie boy installed. Okay, this is heavy. Anyways, I hate starting off vlogs with bad news, but it's just something I wanted to talk about. We do have a crazy awesome day. I'm stoked for this video because I'm gonna be introducing something to the channel. I've been wanting to for a while. We gotta go to Lowe's. I gotta get some stuff for the stuff we're going to be doing tonight. It's gonna be a good day. Actually, this is good. This gives me some time to get the clutch installed, so if anybody around the Dallas, I know I said it yesterday's video, I'm not gonna do the clutch in here, so if anybody has a shop or anything like that wants to do my clutch for me, I'll be sick. Now I have time, I guess. We out here parking like we care about our cars, trying to get keyed, boy. Shh, don't tell my wife she hates me for this. Dang, 35 bucks for this? So I really need some shop lighting, especially if I'm gonna be doing this Evo build. I'm probably gonna have some pretty late nights. And I'm thinking I really need something I can hang up or stand up that I can just make myself look pretty when it's 9 o'clock at night still filming. Okay, should we get bulb?
Oh, that's bright.
Or LED? LED's 100 bucks, bulb's 35, but it might get hot. And Texas is hot, but ow! We're gonna hold off on lighting for a little bit because I'm gonna order something off Amazon instead, but I need an angle grinder and I need a heat gun. I don't have either of those, and they're both very important for the stuff that we have to do around my garage. There's 12,000 RPM, so this should be what we need. Let's go get some flapper discs and some cutter discs. Need one of these boys, and let's grab 2 of these. I went ahead and got a couple different sets of tools. This tool is going to be, okay, hello. Ha. This is an angle grinder, angle cutter, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna be making the JZ Lexus street legal again, and before I do that, if you guys have been watching the channel lately, you know that I have an issue with the rear brakes, and I know how to fix it, I just need to get it done. Gonna be fixing the JZ Lexus tomorrow, and that's gonna be sick. But, we're gonna be using this tonight. Boom. This is a heat gun. I have been needing one for forever, and well, for something we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna need it. I don't really think it's a surprise anymore at this point, considering the video's title. I know it might be kind of clickbaity for some of you guys, but I don't want you guys to complain. We have a new WRX to work on. My friend Chris from high school, who owns the DC5, he was in my videos way when I was back in high school. He's at work right now, but he's gonna come over after work. I'm stoked because we have a lot of mods that we wanna do. Let's wait for him to get over here and check it out.
One eternity later.
It's here, boys. You ready to see it? Evo gang, let's go. Oh, never mind, that's a Lancer. Oh, they always just fool me. They look the same.
This thing won't. I've tried in the rain and it won't.
Drift?
Yes.
You wanna drift this? Come on, dude. This is the new, It's not my car, so I want you guys to think that what I talked about yesterday is this is the car that I bought. I did buy a car, and I want you guys to know that. But this, you're gonna tell by the title, this is my friend Chris's 2013?
Yes.
14, 13 Subaru WRX. It's a hatchback just like mine that I used to have. His car is gonna be a part of this channel. I missed having a Subaru to modify, and we're gonna be doing it. So today is gonna be the first day we're gonna be modifying this car. It's gonna be sick. We got a few exterior mods, but let me go ahead and show you this thing off. Oh, I hope you guys are excited because it's been a while since I had a Subaru on the channel, and it's gonna be fun to start working on one again. Well, bro, we gotta go over there and mine those pallets. You know how much wood you can get from pallets, dude? You can build a whole fort from those things. All right, here we go, boys. Here is Chris's 2013 Rex, dude. It's a hatchback, just like I had back in the day. Here it is, boys. Ready to have some fun with it? Oh, man. Oh, man. Ooh, look at that poopy stock quad tip. We gotta do something about that, Chris. Man. So good. So the only difference between this car and my STI that I had is this is 5-speed, right? These were 5-speed. It's gonna have the 5-speed. It doesn't have like STI stuff imprinted everywhere, but it still has, there's actually pretty sick seats. Oh man, dude. Oh, this takes me back. This takes me back. I even had the radar detector and everything. So like, it's pretty much the same car. I had a little bit more black everywhere. I had STI printed everywhere, but this is just a 5-speed. It's got the EJ255 instead of the EJ257. The WRX does not have dual AVCS, and the STI has dual AVCS, active valve control system. So I know way too much about these cars to not work on them anymore. So I'm excited. We got some stuff to do, and we've it's just cool. It's gonna be back in the seat of one of these. We gotta make this thing loud. We gotta stance it out, dude. We gotta get some wheels. We gotta put a big turbo kit on it. Today we have some exterior stuff. We're gonna have some fun with it. So let's get back to the house and let's get going. All right, which one are we gonna move? SpongeBob or Patrick? I'll move SpongeBob. Patrick's a little too loud right now. Baby! WRX versus Evo vid? Keep coming. Keep coming. Come back. Good. Yes. Oh yeah, baby. Dog, what is this? You gonna let some poopy on your paint? Get to Chris, what are you doing? These guys are gonna be like, what do you let this car in your garage for? We'll have to get this cleaned up, but first, got a couple mods we want to do. Last week before we went to a car meet together, we ended up doing his high beams, which ended up looking really good. We got those from some company off of Amazon. Now we're gonna be doing his regular headlights. We got HIDs to install, and then we've also got your taillight overlays. Taillight overlays, that's what I bought the heat gun for, also because I just need a heat gun at the house. So let's go ahead and get started on those. Let's get the headlights done first, because that's easiest.
Wait. Before we do anything, we gotta show Subaru some respect.
Oh,
and fix the flag.
true, dude. But no, Subaru's meant to be broken, dog.
Not mine.
Subaru is meant to always be broken. Everybody say thanks, Chris, saving the day. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. I have grown very fond of LED headlights now, because your boy grew up with HIDs. Like, that was the thing we did in high school, and like, I mean, people still do that. LED headlights, you don't have any ballasts. They literally plug right in. All right, I'm hoping these are the right ones. If they're not, you said you had some, right? Yeah. All right, either way, these are kind of funky, but check this out. You're tight, dude. No ballast, just plugs right in. All right, so here's the stock headlight. And here are the H4s. Chris, I don't think you have H4s, my dude. These look like these plug into a freaking wall. They're not the same at all, dude. They're supposed to be H11s, not H4s. Good on you, Chris. We're just gonna roll around stocky for a little while. We'll get these taken care of another day. You're worse than me.
I know.
I'm supposed to be the one that does the lack of research, not you, dude. Now we're gonna move on to the thing that was literally my worst nightmare, and I never did on my STI because it's just brutal. I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna conquer my fears today. We're gonna do these taillight overlays at least, because these nasty crystal taillights, honestly, I don't know why Subaru decided to keep them in the way they were for 6 years or whatever, however long they sold them. I'm pretty sure everybody out there can agree that they're disgusting, except for maybe if you have a white Subaru, but even then they're just dumb. We've got the overlays that go like this and around there, that basically how mine look, except I painted mine on myself. Let's go through the hassle and try and get these done. Hopefully this part right here is just stupid easy. It kind of just slaps on right there like that, and you don't really have to do anything. You just have to tuck the rest of it kind of away. This part though, literally is just, it's death. Well, let's get these done first, so at least we can get a little sneak peek, and then this one we'll deal with that a little later. Alright, we got this one on. Working on vinyl is always so difficult. I'm pretty decent at it, because I'm pretty particular, but I'm not very patient. So let's go ahead and move on to this. This will be really interesting to do. I gave up the first time around. It's really weird because it's got this little divot right here. That's the main piece that really sucks the most. I think we should be able to get it just with enough heat and persistence. We'll get it. And we got her started. Wish us luck, boys. Boy, let's go. It's so much easier with a heat gun, dude. Why didn't I have a heat gun back in the day? So pro tip, if you got one of these, you wanna do this yourself, a lot of heat and have somebody pull very hard. So this side's got a little bit of bubbles in it. We're gonna work those out, but damn boy, let's go. Subaru, take notes. That's how it should have been. This is not how it should have been.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a...
We are about at the final peel stage. Looking pretty good. You wanna do the honors? Just be careful. Oh, baby. And we're done. Damn, dude, you gonna be rolling up to Meese now? I'll be like, "Duh, who's this? Who's this kid with this modified Subaru?" And on next episode, we're gonna do his annual WRX cleaning. Disgusting. That looks sick. Let's actually turn the lights on. I wanna see what they look like. Much better, dude. So much better. That's what a Subaru is supposed to look like. That's it. That is it. It's about to be nighttime, so we're gonna go drive it. And I just want to do kind of a little walk around of the car just to show you guys at night. It's getting dark outside, so I'll give you guys a little walk around. Oh, it feels so nice out here. We also just did another mod, which you'll find that tomorrow. It's amazing. Go drive this thing around a little bit. Let's see what it looks like when it's dark outside. Yeah, no HIT gang. We've been doing some photos, having some fun, and all right, dude, that's fine. Whatever, dude, flexing on me. Sorry, I got the poopiest headlights of them all right now. I want to show you guys what finished product looks like. It looks like, it looks like somebody who actually who wants to mod their car. It looks so sick. Sorry, it looks a little weird right now. It's super dark outside, but my camera's making it not look, but it looks so good. It makes it like, that's Subaru. That is what these lights should have been from the factory, okay? Welcome Chris and his WRX, well, Chris back to the channel, and the WRX to the channel. I hope you guys are excited about content. Tomorrow we've got another install video for you guys. If you guys have any stuff you have for sale or like any, I don't know, whatever it is for WRX and you want to see it installed on the channel, hit me up, send me an email, and I'd love to get more stuff onto this car. You guys let us know if you want to see any specific mods. Chris, you don't have to run away from every time I film. Back, that's true. He's so awkward just sitting there on his phone, dude. Okay, if you guys comment on this video, tell him what you want him to do. Give him some ideas. We don't really know. We've been sitting here trying to like figure out some ideas. So let us know. Let him know what you want to see on his car, and we'll try and figure it out. But we just did Subaru versus Evo.
Subaru versus Evo.
We have to do that. I'm probably gonna blow the motor, but whatever. It's worth it. Worth it for the memes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say goodbye to Chris WRX till tomorrow. Peace out, boys. Again, thank you. I love you all, and be victorious.